right, YouTube, we got here today, we got ourselves a blade with a clip. So you can change out your blades very easily. Put it up, and you can hit this button here and release your blade. Let me see. Yeah, you can release your blade. Then you hit this button, slide release. Comes with 2 clips, 2 very nice clips. This is the name of it. This is a toughbuilt reloadable utility knife. And if you want one, they got them at Home Depot for about $29.99. And they definitely, I've been using it around here in my tent shop for a while now. We got a lot of goodies to review in here, but this is absolutely 100% hands down one of the best utility knives that I have had. And you can also reload these with new blades, any blade of your choice. You would just take this and slide this open like that. This holds about 10 to 15 blades. And right here inside of this housing, it holds about 10 blades. If you don't want to use these curved blades, you don't have to. And it's the same thing with this. You just slide it up and open it up, and there you go. As you can see, I got a lot of flat ones as spares inside of there. So if you're a handyman or you're doing housework or anything in that nature, I highly recommend one of these utility knives. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but this is very handy. There's no blade coming out. Okay, there we go. So say that you wanted to release your blade, you would just push that button in, and there you go. And then if you wanted to put it back, you would just, so once it comes out, it's gone. You take it, you slide it down, it loads another blade inside. So you can just hit this button here. I normally put my finger right there. And once it's clamped, bow. There you go. And if it's another blade in there, you just slide it down and slide it back up, and then you got a new blade. And then if you release it and you want to put it back, you would just do the same thing in reverse. Just push this button, slide it back down in there. And for the 30 bucks, I mean, this thing is built like steel. Got a rubber grip. You got a feature here where you can say, like, you know, you just wanna say you got both of your knives. You can just be like, okay, this is the right one. So it's always good to have something like this handy around. Let me see if I can get me another blade loaded in here. Now I got both hands available. So what I do is push the button. And say that we don't want to use these blades. Okay. We're going to take one of these out. I'm not that good at this, but we're going to figure it out. This thing is filled to capacity. So give me a second. All right, I just grabbed a couple of blades. So to reload this thing, this awesome utility knife, you would just open it up and slide in one blade at a time. I would recommend opening it all the way up and try to get it inside of there. There we go. Now this thing, I'm not going to lie to you guys, this thing is pretty daggone hard to load up. Okay. Wow. I don't think that's gonna work out like that. Of course not. So pop that out. Open that back up. And we're just gonna pry it out using another blade. Now this is one problem that I don't like with this blade, but once it's loaded up, it's good. So I guess that you would, okay, that's how you do it. So you just put it down, slide it down underneath of this little thing here, push it down underneath and slide it in. And if you're a super handy man like me, you should be able to have more than one kind of blade in at once. So let's try that. So we push it down, slide it in. And I'm doing this only for testing purposes only. Okay. Now that she's loaded, we just snap her closed. Put our clip in. And then we just slide her out. And then if we want to remove it, bow. Just picture just being on a job and your blade just get dull and you're just like, bow. Flip it over. Bow. She's locked in. Put it back down. Push that. Bow. And now we got the regular one. This is awesome for Walmart workers. If you work at Walmart and you do any kind of restocking, Walgreens, any kind of restocking at all, this would definitely be your best bet right here. Coming to you guys with some more handy videos and reviews. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So I'm coming back to you guys with some more videos. And I would really like you guys to smash up that like button and the subscription button, because it helps me out to have time to come and make these videos for you guys, you know. But this is definitely one awesome thing. So bow, we got one in there. Okay, now make sure that your blade is all the way down before you eject. And this ejecting thing is kind of fun, you know. It's really fun. So put some fun inside of your job. Put a little fun in it. Get yourself one of these utility knives. Very great. Thumbs up, 100%. Smash up the like button and subscribe button, and I'll keep coming to you with these great products and items.